Welcome to Cutting Out the Crap. I am Chef Aaron. Tonight we'll be doing some Alderwood carrots. So, I've decided to go for a clear plastic tuppy so that you guys can be able to see what I'm doing here. However, any microwave safe dish is just fine by me. So, our star feature here is Alderwood smoked sea salt. This particular variety, I think I got at Savory Spice Shop. However, you know, it's an older container, so I could have gotten it anywhere, you know, off the internet, to be honest with you. So, what we need is about 2 teaspoons of the salt. That's where we get our flavor. And then we're going to add just a tiny little bit of water down the bottom so that we can be able to steam. Then we're going to add 2 layers of plastic wrap, seal it really, really good, throw it in the microwave for anywhere between 3 to 6 minutes, depending upon your microwave. Come out, and I'll be back. Alright, so my carrots have definitely been in the microwave. They have definitely steamed up quite nicely. They have a decent amount of liquid. So what we're going to do is poke a small hole up around this area, and then we're going to drain all the liquid out, or at least most of it, and then we're going to give it one final stir, and we're going to serve. So, this has been Chef Aaron with Cutting Out the Crap. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.